We're at the Tillamook Cheese Factory.
Let's search for it right now. Lisa, this way.
Oh, whoops.
How do you make a cow sound?
Look at those giant blocks of cheese. So 40-pound blocks of cheese. So the silver vats make 3 batches of cheese per day and hold 53,500 pounds of milk. That's a lot of milk. The factory cuts about 1 million pounds of cheese a week. They're the Tillamook cheese curds and they're only available at the factory.
You know how it squeaks?
I heard it squeaking. Mike told me to put a cow in my background. So you see it?
There's cows all over here.
That one's real.
I bought the best ice cream in Tillamook. It is called white chocolate raspberry yum.
I got a salted butterscotch. It's really good. Make sure I don't get run over. That was fun. Not too much to do, but fun to see all the big blocks of cheese because I love cheese. Good ice cream and cheese curds and cheese.